1979, Soviets invaded Afghanistan. The West and the United States and Pakistan joined. We were coalition partners to fight communism. We launched a jihad in Afghanistan together. 4 kinds of category of people fought that jihad. Number 1, Afghans themselves. Number 2, Mujahideen from all over the world, from the Islamic world. 20 to 30,000 Mujahideen were brought into Afghanistan from all over the Islamic world to fight a jihad against communists, including Osama bin Laden was brought. Then the third, Taliban from our madrasas were trained, equipped, armed and sent in. The 4th category was mercenaries. I am from the Special Service Group. I know some colleagues of mine who went inside with 50, 100 odd people as mercenaries and were fighting the Soviets. Now, for 10 years this went on. Look at the impact on our society. After 10 years, Soviet Union gets defeated and everyone leaves this place, leaves Pakistan high and dry. And there is warlordism in Afghanistan. They start killing each other. 12, 15 warlords start fighting, ravage and destroy their country. And what happens then? 4 million refugees come into Pakistan. Number 1. 20,000 of those mercenaries, those mujahideen who were trained, equipped by us and sent in. Where are they? Where do they go? They are right here, holed up here. And they find Pakistan more comfortable. Obviously that country is ravaged. So they come into our cities and towns. Number 2. Number 3, the Taliban factor emerges. 1995. Number 4 is that these very mercenaries start coalescing into Al-Qaeda. We didn't know what is Al-Qaeda. Did you hear Al-Qaeda before 2000? Never heard. These revolutionaries, these mujahideen became Al-Qaeda. Then the Central Asian republics emerged after 89. There is a movement in Uzbekistan, so Uzbeks came here. Then Chechnya wants independence, the Chechens came here. So all this confusion, all of it brought by Pakistan. This continued till 2001 for 12 years. And then 9/11 happens and all this bombardment and its impact, 2005. So 26 years of warfare, 4 million refugees here, Mujahideen here. This is what has suffered, this is what Pakistan has faced. So militancy, Kalashnikovs, fighting, war, battles in the west, in the east, we are in the center. The world has to understand this.
So, my dear son, could I leave now?